Is your brother MFC-J995DW not printing even though it's connected? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some quick fixes that can get your printer working again in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Check the printer status. First, make sure your printer is powered on and doesn't display any error messages. Check for low ink warnings, paper jams, open covers, error messages on the display. Fix any issue shown before trying to print again. Step 2. Verify the connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your printer and computer are connected to the same wireless network. For a USB connection, unplug the cable and reconnect it securely. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router and printer to refresh the connection. Step 3. Set the correct default printer. On Windows, open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Select Brother MFC-J995DW and click Set as Default Printer. Also, clear any stuck print jobs by opening the print queue and cancelling all pending documents. Step 4. Check ink and run cleaning. If your printer still isn't printing, check the ink levels. From the Printers menu, run Print Head Cleaning Nozzle Check. This can fix faded, blank, or missing prints caused by clogged nozzles. If your brother MFC-J995DW is still not printing after these steps, try updating the printer driver or reinstalling the printer on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more printer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.